back then I was a tomboy, no, with bitten nails, horrible hair, different hair color.
तो कभी कभार आप लोनली फील करते हो बीइंग अ लोन रेंजर?
There were a couple of films, some very good films that I could have done, but I don't know what I was thinking, and I said no to some of them. They went on to be some big hits, which I could have had to my credit.
कभी मोमेंट आपके करियर में हुआ है where career and reputation both were leading to disaster or situation could have come being jeopardized? ऐसा हुआ है? Honestly, Isha, has there ever been a film where you've just sleepwalked, not surrendered to the director for whatever reason, and it showed while you were shooting and it showed on screen also?
Yeah.
Actually offer किया अपनी मम्मी को to do a blood test to prove that you were not on drugs क्या? एक आया था वीडियो जहाँ पे अनुपम जी ने कुछ कहा था महेश भट्ट से, लोगों ने उसको proportion से blow out कर दिया, saying that महेश भट्ट को बोला to move out of stage and stuff like that. What actually happened? ഈശ എല്ലാവരും സൗഖ്യമാ?
Allah sokyo.
കളിക്കറങ്ങളാ ഇല്ലയാ?
Mama.
നീ കളിക്കറിயா இல்லையா?
சௌக்கியம்
சூப்பரா?
சூப்பரா சார் சூப்பர்
நீங்க சௌக்கியமா?
just say ஆமாம் just say ஆமாம்
Whatever you want to hear, man.
I'm feeding in dialogue
Say
also to you.
ஆமாம்.
just say ஆமாம்
Amam.
Very nice. That
very
was
nice.
so convincing, so beautiful, so heartfelt with so many emotions. बहुत अच्छा लगा. Seriously, यार. This is also nowadays a thing ना, subtle acting, subtle tone में बोलना. So this was that. है कि नहीं?
ஆமாம்
I love the fact that three of you are here. 14 साल बाद आप आ रही हैं बड़े पर्दे पर, right? Was it the same feeling जब आप आई थी पहली बार on the big screen years back? वैसे ही था? Or was it like I'm the OG, कोई माइका लाल मुझे छू नहीं सकता, I've still got it?
It's something that I'm very excited again, definitely, to see myself on the big screen. Because yes, I was doing OTT, I did couple of web series and all, but that excitement to see yourself back on the big screen is there.
So let's go back to कोई मेरे दिल से पूछे, right?
Yo, ama.
Yeah, ஐயோ சொல்றேன் யார்?
எங்க?
ரொம்ப ஸ்ட்ரெஸ் அந்த ஃபிலிம்ல.
இல்ல.
Okay. So why ஐயோ to the first film?
Just
Huh?
because you're sitting here.
Oh, that ஐயோ was from me or what?
No, because you've known me since then.
I know. So tell me recollections
Oh my goodness.
of that film when you were watching yourself behind the scenes. I want to compare this to you entering the sets here after 14 years of being away from the big screen.
Oh wow. Okay. That was very different. I was just very raw, 18, not very well groomed, straight put in front of the camera. Whatever little grooming happened between my mother and Sri Devi ji, who was producing the film, Boni Kapoor ji. They were grooming me, made me put lashes for the first time. I remember I hated putting eyelashes and all. And now today I'm a groomed lady sitting here. Back then I was a tomboy, no, with bitten nails, horrible hair, different hair color, no continuity in any film of my hair color, and I would get scolded for that. But now things have changed. Now coming back on set, honestly, it's a wonderful feeling because I don't look at it. When I'm back on set, I look at it as a project, as a whole, as a story, as a script, as what my character is doing in it. I felt very similar doing even my web series, whether it was Rudra, Hunter. This one is special because again it's with Vikram Bhatt, who I'm so glad to unite again with and work, because I love him as a director. He's one of my favorite directors because he brings out such amazing performances of all his artists, you know. And it's of course the cherry on the cake is that it's back on the silver screen.
Wow. I love the fact कि अब आपका एक persona है, एक image है, perception है, that people are putting in the likes of Jaideep Ahlawat and the esteemed actors जो आज के ज़माने में are called the flag bearers of new age acting.
So sweet.
अच्छा लगता है
Thanks.
आपको? बहुत अच्छा लगता है या इंटिमिडेट करता है ये टैग्स आपके लिए?
Thankfully, nothing intimidates because I'm kind of a lone ranger doing my thing, and I don't think about come under pressure by any tag or any such thing. But it's good there. I mean, it's good that if you're saying so, that there's I'm in the category of esteemed actors and people have liked my work. Just feels great. That's what an actor actually. That's what you're really working for. A pat on your back at the end of the day. To hear those words, good job. It means the world to you.
नहीं, पर आपने एक वर्ड यूज की थी, लोन रेंजर. Do you all feel like lone rangers? And how would you define lone ranger for me?
I mean, as actors, we are lone rangers because you're doing your thing and कहीं ना कहीं आप अपने रास्ते पे चल रहे होते हो और आपको पता भी नहीं होता किस डायरेक्शन में जाना है. But you just want to keep proceeding, you want to keep moving forward. And एक sense होती है कि हाँ यार मुझे, I want to progress, I want to be a certain place. That destination is also not confirmed because as an actor, you can only control so much of your career, right? The choice that you have is that when you get work, out of that you can pick, yaar, this is something that resonates with me, and I guess that's how we finally get to be known, for our choices.
इनफैक्ट जब आप लोन रेंजर होते हो तो राइट लेफ्ट पे आपके पास बहुत सारे लोग नहीं होते जो आपको गाइड करेंगे या बोलेंगे कि आप गिरने वाले हो, ये गलत है, ये सही है. तो आप मिस्टेक्स भी बहुत करते हो. तो कभी कभार आप लोनली फील करते हो बीइंग अ लोन रेंजर?
But I think वही तो एक being an actor, that's the best part, that you don't have any support system, you don't have to listen. So what you end up doing is you start trusting your inner voice, your instincts, and कहीं ना कहीं वो भी sharpen होती रहती है. आप गलतियाँ definitely करते हो, लेकिन but who is to say that what the decision that I made was right or wrong? I mean, at retrospect, we can always think, हाँ यार वो I could have done that differently. But maybe things would have panned out in a you would have regretted those decisions as well.
Have you also felt like a lone ranger in this entire journey? I know you have.
Yeah, but I think I don't know if it depends how we think about it. I would like to very optimistically think that there are so many people who've given us opportunities. Like for me, I'm not from the industry. Vikram Bhatt gave me 1920 on the basis of whatever he saw, and he thought, let me take her and trust her with this part. I got Kerala Story. They decided to give her this and trust her with this. I've got so many things that so many people have just trusted me with. And the audience is on my side, so I can't be a lone ranger even if I want to.
I love it. Senti line फेंक दिया audience का. Superb.
Opening तो मिल ही जाएगी अब हमें.
हाँ भी तो मिल ही जाएगी ना. Audience का नाम लेनी तो हो गया ये.
No, I think the audience is smart, but I think they've liked the trailer, so I hope so.
Yes, they have. Isha, if you look back in life, वो कौन से moments से जब आप badgered feel कर रही थी professionally, and maybe you also felt like a lone ranger because आपको ही समझ आ रहा था कि ये badgering हो रही है मेरे साथ. Could be for a film, could be for a look, could be for something else. And that's when you said मुझे अपने battles खुद fight करने.
I think the day you decide to take up any profession, you are fighting the battle on your own, because there is guidance, there are people to tell you, but beyond that it's your journey and how you drive your Ranger. And if I have to look back and think, I don't have any deep regrets or anything, but I think everyone in their 20s goes through that little sort of a brash phase in life where we make hasty decisions, we think we know certain things, we there's so much of that forward motion, and we want to do so much, and in that doing so much we make mistakes. But it's because of those mistakes today that I think from every mistake I've only learned, and it's just shaped me to be a better human being today.
तो वो तो हम सब
Which is
जानते
such a
हैं कि
cliche answer.
no, I understand, but it's okay, cool. But that's the truth, right? वो कौन से brash decisions आपने लिए थे, which backfired at that time? I want you to tell me at least one anecdote, please.
There were a couple of films, some very good films that I could have done, but I don't know what I was thinking, and I said no to some of them. They went on to be some big hits, which I could have had to my credit, but for some reason I didn't do those films.
और आपने क्यों ना कहा उस फिल्म के लिए? Arrogance था.
नहीं अरे भाई मुझे इतना arrogant मत बना. I was
नहीं,
not
मैं पूछ
so
रहा होता है,
arrogant. I was a
20s में
very
भी we all have our moments of
well-behaved,
being
very
arrogant.
well-behaved, very naive and a very innocent girl when I was working in films then. I was not those arrogant people that people think. But it was, some of them were date issues. Some were thinking that I may not be able to justify this. Some were, I'm not comfortable doing this. You know, and with me, I also have certain decisions that I took keeping my family value system in mind. You don't want to offend some people by taking up certain things like that. So I have to keep many things. I have to keep many things in mind.
Now I'm going to ask you my next one. Which were those films which actually went on becoming hits? It was actually supposed to be your baby.
I mean, it did happen. Was Golmaal Part 1, Omkara, BD Jalele.
माने गाना मिला था आपको बीड़ी जले ले.
हाँ जी. But I think Bipasha has done a fantastic job. There were a couple of more which I don't want to mention. One very close to this film. So I think I should just zip it.
So now when you used to watch those hit films, would you bang your head against the wall?
Of course. Every actor would, yeah. You would have been there, done it. You didn't do it, you missed that chance. You tap, tap, tap. 100% bang your head against the wall.
Oh God. But we are still here.
Of course.
And we've got Tumko Meri Kasam.
Yes.
है ना? अदा, obviously आपका connection विक्रम के साथ बहुत strong है. He gave you a chance.
Yes.
Would you say at a time when not many people gave you a chance?
When nobody else did. He was the first one to launch me into films. So.
I am very fond of Vikram. I go a long, long way back with him. I love the fact that he's so honest. He's very straightforward. And what a mind, yeah. You know, I would like to live in Vikram's mind for like 2 days. Just sit there inside.
My God, we'd all go crazy. You have to have some certain level of genius, madness to... I don't want to live in his mind, but he's like a genius, totally.
So, जब कोई आपको chance नहीं दे रहा था, how did that moment with Vikram happen for 1920?
I mean, I met them and I auditioned and they thought I could play a possessed character. When some things have to happen, it's just magic. Then it just happens easily. पर उनको लगा मेरा look सही नहीं था. I remember even then. And उनको foreigner लड़की चाहिए थी. But then they did a look test and they gave me वो lenses और वो सब. He was open-minded enough to means जो उनको look दिखा, he could foresee things. A lot of times, a lot of filmmakers can't see you beyond what they've seen in a photograph or as you've entered. I met filmmakers जहाँ पे like मैं office में गई हूँ, suppose wearing a dress, then they think no, अगर you know she has to wear an anarkali, वो नहीं होगा. Yeah, if you've seen me in Kerala Story, you'll think he only Malayali girl roles. If you've seen me in 1920, you'll see only period films. He has the foresight and that level of imagination to see anyone as anything.
Absolutely.
I think that's really nice. He's cast her as a lawyer.
Exactly.
For the
Just
first,
thinking of that.
for the first time, and I think he trusts a lot of people. In our film, Tumko Meri Kasam also, there's a new music director, Prateek. He's given a new singer, Abdul, a chance, who sung all our songs. And I mean, वो विक्रम भट्ट है, उनको कोई भी मिल सकता है गानों के लिए. It's a Bhatt movie. You'll get the, you know, the most popular singers, the most popular music directors, the biggest people, but he gave newcomers a chance, and I think that's a really nice thing. That's how the industry grows, and that's how you get.
विक्रम भट्ट के माइंड में आप घुसे और बताइए वो माइंड में होता क्या है? I love the way ऊपर देख रहे, नीचे देख रहे, उनको भी हाँ ट्रांस में आ गए आप.
So many stories there. नहीं, I think I've developed.
देखो, I love listening to stories. तो Go for it.
Great.
खुले आम.
The more controversial, the better.
Dai podi.
I know that's the
Ayyo,
truth. You know
illada.
that.
People talk their heart to me, man.
Koncham controversy. Koncham.
चल ठीक है.
I knew it.
अयो. हाँ.
Koncham masala, koncham controversy.
Okay, ठीक है.
Are you
Some masala,
Yeah.
some controversy. ठीक है. चल, let's make it happen. हाँ, tell me a supremely kick-ass anecdote between you and him.
यार एस केक होगी कि नहीं होगी ये तो पता नहीं, बट मतलब मैं एक दिल छू जाने वाली ऐसी बात है.
बताना
कुछ 2-3 हैं, बट आई थिंक you know I mean to match this, I don't my story will now be able to.
Girl,
after
say
so
sorry
much
to
of-
him. Isha, sorry.
I didn't say
After all
anything. I
this.
looked at you, and your Tamil is making me crack up. Sorry.
Dude, at least I'm making an effort. Now behave yourself, both of you. Now please.
Sorry,
He's saying
Vishwa.
dil छू लेने वाली कहानी and you're
Yeah,
not
I
doing.
want to hear your
Want to
दिल
hear.
छू लेने
please.
वाली कहानी. Come on.
भुला ही दिया यार इस उसमें सारी
नहीं बोलना.
थोड़ी सारी हैं, बट आई you know like I normally when I go and work with I've worked with new age directors mostly, so आपका एक काम करने का तरीका भी बन जाता है. But with Vikram sir, you know, I somehow felt यार here I don't want to like you know bring in my, I mean of course जो मेरा एक कुछ अपनी चीज़ें होती हैं, मोटिवेशन होती है, वो तो आप रखते ही हो, लेकिन with him I felt यार this man has so much to offer. You know, whether it's his films that I've grown up watching, and just by talking to him, I knew that you know, there's a man who's like an institution. He has so much knowledge. I'm just going to soak all of it from him, like as much as I can from him. So when we used to do a scene, I would there's somewhat of a like I would almost submit.
Surrender.
Yes. And उसके बाद जो एक रिजल्ट निकलता था, sometimes it would surprise me. I was like, यार ये तो मेरे काम करने का तरीका नहीं है. And I thought there was no other way, and you know this man is making me do things, and I'm getting the result, which is surprising me. So that was something which I think was very, very fulfilling, and after I think my theatre days, someone's actually taken out the time to sit me down and talk to me as a director. You know, I've worked with so many directors. Give me 2 bits about acting. You know, you get stuck sometimes in this kind of a situation. You can try this. So he's really, really involved with his actors. You know, that kind of level of that sort of a partnership where you forget that this is a veteran director. It's a director like Vikram Bhatt. We're just like collaborating, trying to get the scenes done, trying to make a good movie together. So a wonderful kind of a collaboration.
अदा जैसे डॉक्टर अजय का होता है, एक सिचुएशन होता है वे करियर एंड रेपुटेशन दोनों डिस्ट्रक्शन की ओर जाते हैं. कभी मोमेंट आपके करियर में हुआ है वे करियर एंड रेपुटेशन बोथ वर लीडिंग टू डिजास्टर और सिचुएशन कुड हैव कम बीन जेपरडाइज्ड? ऐसा हुआ है?
I don't think so. I hope not. I mean, not that voluntarily I've done anything to do that. No.
No, but you've taken tough choices in your career where it could have flipped any side.
Yeah,
है ना?
but the thing is, when I took the choice, it's not that I
Specifically
took
कौन से वाले फिल्म की बात
the
कर रहे हैं?
Kerala story. When I decided to do it, for me, it wasn't a film that was a controversial thing. It was a film that's against terrorism that everybody is against. So I decided I'm doing this film against terrorism. The bad guys are the terrorists. They're making these innocent girls go to Syria, and that's wrong. And I still stand by it. So now but it went very well actually. It took me and catapulted me to another level of success. So I don't see it as disaster or anything. If you mean like while people gave me galis till the film release, that happened. But I'm willing to take all of it if I got what I got, and got to have so many people watch it and so much love. Definitely not disaster.
इनफैक्ट इशफाक आपने बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लाइन कही अभी कि मैंने विक्रम भट्ट को सरेंडर कर दिया, सबमिट कर दिया. ऑनेस्टली ईशा, हैज देयर एवर बीन अ फिल्म वेयर यू जस्ट sleepwalked, not surrendered to the director for whatever reason, and it showed while you were shooting and it showed on screen also?
Yeah. Of course, there have been quite a few films like that, and there have been quite a few directors who I've worked with like that. And we saw what happened to the film. So I mean, it's not the actor's fault. At the end of the day, they are the captain of the ship. We have to be in good hands, in hands of a good director like Mr. Mani sir, Mani Ratnam, Vikram Bhatt, Ram Gopal Verma. So many of them are such fantastic directors. They bring good performances out, and you know you're doing a great job. You feel satisfied when you go back home and lie down on that pillow. And there are some where you get up in the morning and wonder, why am I going for this shoot? That's true.
But that's the truth, yeah?
Yeah.
So I want to understand. So you've taken Vikram, Ram Gopal Verma, Mani sir. Just in a line, a couple of lines, how did they make you surrender? And the so-called other films and directors, what happened where you felt so disconnected that you would wake up in the morning saying, "Mujhe kaam pe nahi jana hai."
It won't just be me. In a film, I mean, when you're in a film, there will be other actors also with you, no? Whether it's the negative role or your hero. It's a unanimous feeling. Everyone will feel the same. It's a domino effect the director has.
माने सबको पता चल जाता है
You know
कि
it.
वाट लगी.
You know it. And if you're stuck in an outdoor, God help you. You know, 1 month you're sitting here and you have to deal with this for the next month.
But you can take a plane and a
You
thing.
can't.
You can't.
We
yeah?
can't. We are professional. But you know when you're with the right directors, because of course you know the directors who with their history of work and everything, and with their interest level in you, you know, like they work on you individually. Though there are many more, like even in Yuva, I done even Ayudha Irthu. He sat me in the office with him for a couple of hours, and I speak Tamil, but
Much
that
better than I
Tamil
do.
in that film was different. So he made sure that I had someone whose name was also Kannan, who sat with me and went through that little accent of.
Must have been a
that
very
kind
good
of
teacher.
Tamil. He was very good. So you know, and some of them are also experienced directors, but if that project they are not able to pick up, say, an action film and do it, and they are given the job to direct an action film, they themselves sometimes don't know what they are doing also. No, what can you do then?
So that is how they've approached you and made you crack your roles. फिर ये जो दूसरा स्पेक्ट्रम है जहाँ आपको लगता है मैं आउटडोर हूँ, मुझे निकलना है, मैं नहीं निकल पा रही हूँ क्योंकि मैं प्रोफेशनल हूँ, वो लोग क्या करते हैं? उनको खुद समझ नहीं आता वो क्या करते हैं?
वो बस बना लेते हैं फिल्म. They are going on shooting and they are making it. And we are sometimes we feel it, they are making something wonderful, okay? And but in between a schedule, you somewhere get an idea of what's shaping up.
Then what do? You just suffer.
You can't do. I mean, what do you mean? What do you do?
Yeah, you suffer और क्या?
You do your job. You do your job quietly and leave. That's it.
So when you watch yourself in the hall in a premiere of a film where this kind of work is done, what do? You put
I
a pillow on
don't
your
watch
face.
a lot. I don't watch a lot of films of mine. I don't.
Why?
I just don't. I mean, unless they, like you said, they are having a premiere. And on premiere also, where will we get the time to sit and actually watch a film? We are busy giving interviews backstage, meeting people. And
So how many films like this जिससे आप embarrassed है? कि
I am
आपने-
not giving you a number now.
2.
I'm not giving you a number.
I'm not asking names.
No.
ठीक है, थोड़े हैं.
No.
थोड़े हैं.
கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சம் இருக்கு, கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சம் நல்லது, எல்லாம் mixture.
ठीक है, I get the point.
That was only for the Tamil audience.
No, but you understood the mix,
थोड़े
right?
थोड़े अच्छे हैं, थोड़े थोड़े बुरे हैं.
It's
Mixed
a
bag है.
mixture. It's part of.
I'm being the translator.
You get onto a set like this. Do you do it because you want to do it for respect? Do you do this कि ठीक है, डायरेक्टर के पास एक रेप्यूटेशन है इसलिए मैं कर रही हूँ? मुद्दा क्या हो जाता है फिर?
For all films, my basis is intuition and love. Either I love the script, I love the maker. Here, all my boxes got checked. Because intuitively, I think it's a great story to tell. It's a film that I want to be part of because I do believe in this. I do believe in women empowerment. I want to be part of stories that tell men how they should behave with women. I want to be part of stories that an entire family can also watch together. This is a film that people of all ages, people of all, even like I was saying, internationally or in India can watch. It's a film that's for everyone. So I
ठीक
want
है,
to be.
coming back to that one line, tell men how to behave with women. क्या है वो? How should men behave with women? What you've seen and why do you have to say that line?
Because 21st March को एक film आ रही है, तुमको मेरी कसम, and in that you'll see exactly behave like this with women. That's how you should behave. The way Ajay Modia behaves with his wife, the way Anupam Khejri, who's Ajay Modia when he's older, behaves with his lawyer, who's also a woman and treats her as he would a
तो
male.
कैसे क्या होता है वो ट्रेड्स क्या होती है?
Same, जैसे आप
मैं
खुद
बताता हूँ,
को
मैं एक आदमी हूँ।
treat-
आप बताइए
And I played the role. I think अपनी जो choices है वो दूसरे पे ना थोपी जाए और एक false sense of pride लेके ना घुमा जाए अपने आसपास के लोगों को. You know, you shouldn't think anyone is of any less worth. I think in a relationship, which you will see in this film, what happens beautifully is that the man and the woman, both of them, especially from the man's point of view, because ये है भी एक हम एक we're showing a timeline of 80s जहाँ पे you know you look at them and you feel यार this is a genuine relationship of two equals, you know, and the man is not being he's not doing things in a patronizing manner. He genuinely believes that my partner, my wife, is an equal and we need to do things together, take decisions together. And जब वो succeed भी करते हैं या वो जो भी उनकी journey है, that is also they are kind of constantly leaning on each other. So I think that encapsulates a sense of what it means, you know, to kind of.
तो ऐसे men के साथ आप मिलिए, ऐसे ट्रेड्स के साथ ऑफ लेट हैव यू सीन दीस काइंड ऑफ मेन, या फिर ऐसे मेन बहुत कम हैं आज के टाइम पे जिनसे आप मिलिए?
नहीं है ना, अभी ये फिल्म में ऑलरेडी है, अनुपम खेर जी है, विक्रम सर है, इशवाक है.
रियल लाइफ पे बात कर रहा हूं मैं.
ये रियल लाइफ में ही है. मैं आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट द कैरेक्टर्स लाइक इशवाक एज इशवाक, विक्रम भट्ट
Oh,
एज
like
विक्रम
that.
भट्ट, अनुपम खेर एज अनुपम खेर आल्सो फॉर पीपल हु डू दैट. एंड आई थिंक कोई भी रिलेशनशिप में मैन वुमन मैन भाई, नो आई मीन लाइक भाई व्हाटएवर योर रोमांटिक रिलेशनशिप, योर treat the other person जैसे आप खुद treat होना चाहते हो and the relationship will be very successful. If you like कि लोग मुझसे kindly बात करें, आप वो दूसरे इंसान से kindly बात करो, it will be a successful relationship. तो कोई भी, you don't have to think she's a woman so I need to do anything different. बिल्कुल नहीं. जैसे आप एक दूसरे आदमी से बात करते हो वैसे आप औरत से बात करो. nice. Just talk to everyone how you like to be treated yourself, I think.
क्या in so many years of being in the Indian entertainment business आपने genuine friendships बनाए हैं where you can say I can count on them on my fingers and say these are my friends? They may be actors, they could be directors, they
Yes,
could be.
I have, and they are men.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're my best friends. They're my
Thank you, yeah.
dear,
So sweet.
close friends.
Brother, we guys are good.
Gentlemen
Yeah.
from the industry, yes.
Like
Like Tushar, Zayed, Fardeen, Abhishek. We've all stayed in touch very well, you know, and the Tushar, he also has kids, so he's like my go-to for that. Zayed and me connect on a fitness level a lot, and we've all kept in touch, and it's wonderful. They're some of my close friends I've made in this industry.
डेलुलू सोलुलू, बच्चे की जान लोगे क्या? हाई ऑन चाय, चाय प्रेमी विचित्र प्राणी, बुलाती है मगर जाने का नहीं. Yes, Angar's latest collection of t-shirts, hoodies, jumpsuits are out. Trendy, cool, new designs with slogans that you and I see in our daily lives at affordable prices. Also, if you're an Angar customer, if you have the Angar merchandise with you, click pics with them and post it on your Instagram and tag me at @Sid_Kannan and I would love to repost them. Angar pehno or Angar machao.
in fact your bond with Abhishek was before Dhoom time, because you've obviously been from the same.
No.
No?
I mean, we knew each other. We would go for his holy parties and all that. But my bond started with his mother in my first film, Jaya Aunty. She played my mother-in-law in Koi Mere Dil Se Puche, and we became really close and good friends. And then just simultaneously, I think I started LOC with Abhishek.
कभी कभार हमारे paparazzi भाई जया आंटी से थोड़ा डर जाते हैं.
She's wonderful. I love her and I respect her.
How sweet. Very nice. Ada, coming to you. What is that one moment where you pushed yourself in this film?
Oh, there's a scene, there's a scene in the temple. I hope you watch. You'll watch this movie?
पक्का तुम्हारे बगल में बैठ के देखूंगा मैं.
पक्का? Okay, so then I'll
100%
nudge you and say ये वो scene है.
अच्छा.
There's a scene in the temple.
But now you nudge my audience and say that ना यार.
Yeah, so जब आप सब देखोगे फिल्म तो एक
ये तो
scene
मार्केटिंग
है.
पीआर एजेंट इसको होना चाहिए था फिल्म का.
पर पारुल ने मुझे कहा है
हर 3 सेकंड बाद ये डेट आ जाता है.
She
बहुत अच्छा.
told me, she said Anupam Kher ji नहीं है, so you keep saying. So I'm following your advice nicely.
तो मैंने अनुपम खेर जी was given the task
He
of
was-
announcing the
and he
date of
was
the
doing
film.
it very nicely. I'm not as good as him, but I'm trying now. I'm following in his footsteps और मैं try कर रही हूँ. जहाँ मैं subtly, not subtly.
तो पीआर लोग आपको बैठा के ट्रेन करते हैं.
नहीं, but when I entered here, she said please but say it because she's right ना. अगर नहीं बताएंगे, इतनी सारी फिल्में रिलीज हो रही है तो लोगों को कैसे पता चलेगा? इतने सारे रील्स हैं इंस्टाग्राम पे लोगों को देखने के लिए, इतना सारा मसाला भर के रील्स है, तो then if we just say something it might get missing. So maybe
So how do you define a masala reel?
some like they'll say अदा शर्मा को दिखा भूत question mark and then in the reel they'll be like और उनसे पूछा और उन्होंने कहा ना. So that finally in the whole you'll have the whole article अदा शर्मा जिसने किया केरला स्टोरी और जिससे ये हुआ और इसने ये but उसको पूछा और उसने बोला ना. So that is the but the headline will be like that no like हाँ
और एक और स्कैंडलस हेडलाइन एंड में ना बोल रहा एक और कुछ आता था.
बहुत है. I read one about Meoni now. They've asked अदा शर्मा ने कहा वो शादी कभी नहीं करेगी or something like that. There's something. Somebody sent me. My grandmother sent me this in the afternoon.
वो ग्रैनी स्कूल हाँ.
Granny's very cool.
I know
Party.
बेटा of course है हाँ.
So it said Radha Sharma said she'll never get married, but the question asked to me was, what is your dream wedding outfit? Okay, so I said actually that would be a nightmare for me. I mean, the wedding and the party is not my dream. The marriage and the man is my dream, right? So I don't want to have this wedding and that's a nightmare for me. Getting ready, putting makeup, doing hair and all, sitting like this. This is not the dream. I want a man who will think I'm very beautiful and whether I'm wearing anything or not. Like, I mean, wearing designer wear or not wearing.
मैं समझ गया डिजाइनर वेयर की बात कर रही हैं आप. बॉस मैं समझ गया
अदा
ये.
शर्मा ने कहा वो कुछ नहीं पहनेगी अपनी शादी पे नेक्स्ट विल मेक दैट. आई डोंट नो नाउ.
और उसका रिप्लाई क्या हुआ ना.
उसने कहा नहीं मैं पहनूंगी बट देन दैट साउंड्स बोरिंग. सो आई वांट अ गाय हु विल थिंक आई एम ब्यूटीफुल ऑलवेज लाइक मिस्टर अजय मोडिया थिंक्स इंदिरा इज इन दिस फिल्म. आई वांट समवन लाइक दैट एंड आई विल सेटल फॉर नो लेस. ही इज नॉट वेरी हैप्पी विद दिस. ओके
नो इट्स ओके यार. वी गॉट योर मैसेज. ऐसे क्लैरिफाई करने की जरूरत नहीं इतना डेप्थ में आप. तो ठीक है मैं समझ. ऐसा अपने बारे में सुना आपने भी अपने कुछ स्कैंडलस लाइंस आपके बारे में एंड देन यू रियलाइज्ड कि क्या है.
अरे always yeah. Now
Tell me
where
na,
you want me
Samna.
to dig into scandal?
Tell me now some of the ridiculous ones like this.
I'm not very this social media savvy to sit and she no
I'll stalk you and I'll find
find
I'll
you.
send
She'll help me find. Next interview we will find and tell.
Then they'll circle something and they'll say क्या था ये.
हाँ.
I won't be just
Scandalous now what now? Everything is every second third thing they make it scandalous even if it's not.
इस फिल्म में भी है पर देखना पड़ेगा आपको पता चलेगा.
21st
21st March.
There's actually something very scandalous in it. But
Why are you looking at me as if I love scandals यार. तुम बार-बार मुझे देख के there's something very scandalous. Don't worry, this is a film for you because there's scandal. मैं वो बेचारा heartfelt story बोल रहा है यहाँ पे. तेरे को यार वो मिल जाएगा. अरे भाई heartfelt बोल रहा है बेचारा यार.
When I look at, I'm supposed to like break fourth wall and look into camera and talk. No, right?
Was I know I look like a scandalous guy, but ऐसा नहीं है यार. मैं बड़ा अच्छा आदमी हूँ.
You're very nice. We've discussed this before. You're a nice
हाँ.
person. But I didn't mean it like that. I'm just
अच्छा,
there
अच्छा.
to look and talk.
हाँ.
If I talk there, they are laughing at me.
नहीं बच्चे बैठे डर रहे हैं मेरे
नहीं, वो
साथ.
लोग हंस रहे हैं. I know this. Scene they're falling all
And she was
over.
only talking about designer wear. समझा?
Not the husband. Yeah.
Not the husband मैंने कहाँ से आया? You want a designer wear on the husband?
No, he can wear if he wants. Whatever he wants to wear.
You should zoom into him. Yeah, his reaction is the same. What all is going on here? He's just.
नहीं but I wish.
He's meditative like Buddha.
Yeah, he
The,
is.
External world doesn't this thing.
Listen, I was told कि आपने actually offer किया अपनी मम्मी को to do a blood test to prove that you were not on drugs क्या?
Are you crazy?
ऐसा नहीं ये rumor था क्या?
What?
हाँ ये मैंने कहीं पढ़ा था सच में.
Do I look like?
Not at all यार.
Then.
ये नल्ला पुन्नेटा.
Anambanalla ponnana.
हाँ but then
That is scandalous. See?
why
Is
people
that you're
don't.
doing drugs?
Yeah. They've made me everything under the sun.
Oh, you doing drugs? I'm not doing.
Wild child. I was always the wild child in the industry.
You were always the wild child or you were projected as the wild child?
Always projected as the wild child.
Why were you projected as the wild child?
Why now?
No, there must be. कभी कभार कोई बीच में चल रहा है तो बोल दिया वाइल्ड चाइल्ड हो गया. Maybe you were partying with friends when you were younger. We party, right? So people make that out to be wild. Why were you projected as a wild child?
Imagine without social media, I was the wild child. If social media was there, what would have happened?
So when you were called the wild child, were you okay with that time?
I
उस
was,
वक्त?
see, I was okay. I was a very outgoing kind of a personality, and at the same time, I looked like a snob for some reason to many people. I would not speak much to people I didn't want to speak to, and but it just went on that way, and I had many tags to me, lots.
And did you ever want to clarify that this is not me?
No, I didn't do that.
Why?
I didn't do it even now. I don't find the need to do it.
But does
As
it
long as, see,
disturb
for
you?
me, what matters is what I am. I know what the truth is, and my parents, what they know, that matters to me. What the outside world thinks and does, and and over the years, I'm more and more of a private person. I feel. Just because you're an actor and you're put out there at that younger age, there are a lot of people to chabi maru and say, no, say, talk, do, you know, all that. Don't fall into that trap. At the end of the day, if your personality doesn't permit you to be that way, don't do it. You put
You
your
told me a
foot in
line
your
कि अभी
mouth.
आपने कहा था I used to be an extrovert, right?
Yes.
Why are you not an extrovert now?
Because life teaches you lessons. You know, you see that time so much you've not just because you're an actor, but
Ji.
you know, at that age I was literally out of school and in front of the camera. I didn't really experience much of a college life. My best friends were already in college that time, studying while I was shooting. They would call me out. We are going to HQs or whatever was there.
Headquarters
at that.
town.
Headquarters town. And I'm like, no, I'm shooting. How can I come? So once in a while, I used to take my mom's permission and go. But in the industry, there is a certain sort of it's very important to have a little boundary around you, because you don't know who your real friends are. Your own friends are your friends from school and your childhood friends. I think they are the ones who you can call your true friends and true friendships. But here it's not that. So you learn a few lessons and then you say it's better to, you know, you learn a lot here. You learn a lot. I've learned my biggest life lessons. I've learned from this, because where else? I was here from the age of 18. So everything I've learned, good, bad, ugly, is all from here.
Have you ever been shamed for who you are? You also, bhai?
No, not that I can think of anything. Nothing crosses my mind.
Up? Ada?
The first review that came out of 1920 was this woman who wrote the lead pair have unsatisfactory noses. And I remember for a long while after that, I used to feel really conscious about my nose because I was very young and it really affected me.
But you were never nosy, I know. You always kept to your own business.
Maybe that's why, because the lead pair's unsatisfactory noses. I don't know, about looks only, maybe that's the only thing. I had really bad acne also.
Yeah, you told me that,
a lot
yeah.
of people made me feel, if you notice now, when I have a choice to what I'm wearing, I always keep my hair open also because I feel I look very ugly with it tied up. That's a thing maybe that's got ingrained in my mind because for a character, I'll do it. Like in this movie, to push behind my ears, I'll do it. But in real life, I like to keep my hair all over my face because I don't know, that's kind of gotten a very bad thing. But
You know, nowadays, we were only talking a couple of minutes back about sensitive times. You know, जैसे कभी कभार छोटी चीज़ें blown out of proportion हो जाती है. जैसे एक आया था वीडियो जहाँ पे अनुपम जी ने कुछ कहा था महेश भट्ट से, लोगों ने उसको proportion से blow out कर दिया, saying that महेश भट्ट को बोला to move out of stage and stuff like that. What actually happened?
I don't think they give each other money as a fun thing, right? I mean, he gives, Anupam ji gives Mahesh Bhatt Guru Dakshina. I think they have a very loving relationship.
They've just edited it and put it that.
You can edit it like that. She'll say something, and then I was looking
It's
at her,
a
and then
good
you take
edit
Ada's
For
expression
masala
and like,
edit. It's a masala edit.
Oh, you saw the edit.
I saw the edit. I saw the original. Nothing happened.
अच्छा माने जमीन आसमान का फर्क था उसमें.
Please, they are like they're so close. They love each other, and I don't think anything. We were all on stage.
Anyways, thank you so much. Lovely chatting with both of you. And thank you, brother. जैसे मैंने कहा अभी आप विजय वर्मा, जयदीप अलावा, the whole new breed of new age cutting actors में आप है. She was talking about life lessons. इन्होंने life lessons के बारे में बोली. एक life lessons इंडस्ट्री से जो आपने सीखी है, जो आप बता सकते हैं.
It's taught me so much here. I think similar to her, I think it just gives you movie business wisens you and toughens you too. But yeah, it's just I think film industry mein na, I think if there's one word that I want to coin as to this the way people work is they work with a sense of sort of a ruthless pragmatism. Like it's a dog eat dog world, but at the same time the exact opposite was also true. I've also come across the most generous, the most loving, like people really reach out for you, take care of you. So I think अगर यहाँ पे मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आपको अगर काम आता है तो this industry really welcomes you with, you know, open arms. And yeah, never lose. It's a place which always has, there's always light at the end of the tunnel.
क्या बात है, रुलाएगा क्या पगले. So sweet, well spoken, thank you so much. तुमको मेरी कसम है कि फिल्म हिट होगा.
Yeah.
You understood ना?
21st March.
You understood ना? वो पंच तुम्हें समझ आया कि नहीं? क्या समझ आया?
Get me.
I'm asking you.
Of course समझ आया. प्यार ही प्यार.
21 मार्च हमारी फिल्म तुमको मेरी कसम रिलीज हो रही है. प्लीज जाकर
नहीं छोड़िए, मैं चाहता हूँ क्योंकि आप लोगों ने इतनी प्रैक्टिस की, एक साथ बोलो. It should be very synchronized, ना?
Oh no.
नहीं तो you're not going to get a PR marketing job, boss. I'll sack you all.
Oh no.
चलो.
We need
One
Vikram
of us
to
will say,
direct
watch
it.
our film.
तीनों एक साथ, इतनी बार बोल दिया
He
फिल्म.
wants it synchronized. I
We'll
like
say it like Anupam sir says it. दोस्तों
it. We'll be the echo. Say na.
21st
दोस्तों. 21st.
21st March
in a cinema near you. तुमको मेरी कसम.
तुमको मेरी कसम.
Watch
Go
our
watch.
Watch our
film.
film.
This is
This is the
benchmark. This is a
This is a
benchmark.
benchmark.
कि ऐसे कभी सिंक्रोनाइज मत होइए.
Synchronize मत होइए.
But हाँ,
हाँ.
you actually thanks यार.
You're welcome.
Bye.